Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer music from your laptop to a USB flash drive. It's a super easy process, and I'll walk you through step by step. Let's get started. First, go ahead and plug your USB drive into one of the USB ports on your laptop. Now wait a few seconds, and a pop-up might show up on your screen. If it doesn't, no worries. Just open File Explorer. You can do that by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing Windows plus E on the left side. Scroll down until you see your USB drive listed, usually under This PC or something, like USB drive D, or similar. Click on that to open the drive. Right now, it might be empty if it's a new USB. Now open a new File Explorer window and go to the folder where your music is stored. For most people, that's in the Music folder, but your files might be in Downloads or somewhere else, depending on where you saved them. Select the songs you want to transfer. You can click and drag to highlight multiple files, or hold Ctrl and click each one. Now, right-click on your selection and choose Copy. Then go back to your USB drive window. Right-click in the blank space and choose Paste. The files will start copying over. This might take a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on how many songs you're moving. Once it's done, double-check that everything copied properly. When you're ready to remove the USB safely, click the little USB icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and choose Eject USB Drive. And that's it! You've now successfully transferred music from your laptop to a USB stick. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more tips like this, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching!